Here we are going over Meta stock as of December 2nd, 2025. Again, I'm going to make this short and quick, and my conclusion is this is a buy in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and go on to unusual whales here just to show you guys. We got a lot of analysts here from October and then one from November. A lot of price targets ranging from 800 all the way up to about 900. And I think there was a price target out there that was around 1,000 something as well. But again, take this with a grain of salt. I'm going to go ahead and go back onto Webull scene now. Feel free to pause the screen and take a screenshot here if you want to take a look. But this is free information online on unusual whales. We'll go into the Webull scene now and just show you guys the daily chart and the Bollinger Bands as well. So again, the current price here is 644. And again, personally, in my opinion, I know this is a wide range, but anywhere between the lower and middle Bollinger Band as of right now would be a pretty good entry point in my personal opinion if looking to go long-term into Meta stock. With the current price being 644, we are right below the middle Bollinger Band. We're also below the 200-day moving average, which in my opinion is a good entry point because in my opinion, we should also be able to see a rally here towards the upper Bollinger Band, which is right around 760 from our current price here at 643 all the way up to 760 there. That's going to be right around a 17% move to the upside. Definitely something to keep an eye out for. And again, I am pretty optimistic on the all-time high being tested eventually as well, which is going to be right around 795. We've got those price targets ranging between 800 and 900. And so from our current price to $900, that's going to be right around a 40% move to the upside. And then you've also got 1060 here, which I believe was one of the other price targets I was keeping an eye out for. But this is going to be more so for long term. We could potentially be 1 to 3 years, something to keep an eye out for. But who knows if it tests any sooner. I think the price target that they had online for $1,000 was like supposed to be for next year. But again, that's going to be right around a 65% move to the upside. Take that with a grain of salt. And again, let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments, what you're currently doing with Meta stock. In our Discord and our Patreon, I have it as an entry here. My personal average is at 642 as of this position. It could be a swing trade idea to the upside, or it could also be a potential long-term add. I really liked it because the 200-day moving average is at 671, and then typically right around 10 to 20% below the 200-day moving average historically is a really good entry point. You can see here we had all the way down to about 581, which is right around close to a 15% below the 200-day moving average, which I personally would feel pretty comfortable adding into Meta stock. And then here we are now at 643, just still slightly below the 200-day moving average, right around 5% below it. I think this entry here is a really good idea. But again, if you are in Meta stock, highly recommend joining our Discord. We got a bunch of due diligence and technical analysis there, as well as live entries and exits as well. Discord is going to be free to join. We got over 32,000 people there. First link down below in the description of the video. And then the second link down below is going to be Patreon. We do have a permanent 90% off discount celebrating our 5-year anniversary. If you are wanting to join, we do also have that Black Friday discount that we are extending to the end of December. And it's all going to be already applied, so you just have to click on the Patreon link, see if there's any spots available, and then come on in. It connects to our Discord as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you in the next video for Meta. And again, please let us know what your thoughts are down below in the comments as well.